You're looking at one of the most powerful concrete pumping machines on the planet, the SIFA K67H. This thing doesn't just move concrete. It launches it, up skyscrapers, across bridges, into places where no ordinary machine can even reach. That giant boom arm stretching into the sky, it bends and extends with pinpoint accuracy, pouring concrete exactly where the engineers need it. No guesswork, no delay, no wasted time. And here's what most people don't realize. The taller the building, the harder it gets to pump concrete upward. But the K67H handles that pressure like it was built for nothing else. Because it was. The hydraulic system inside keeps the concrete flowing smoothly and consistently. So there are no blockages, no stops, and no costly downtime on site. What used to take dozens of workers in several days, this machine handles it faster, safer, and with far less effort. The SIFA K67H isn't just equipment sitting on a job site. This is the Caterpillar 352, one of the most powerful excavators on the planet. And when you watch it work, you immediately understand why. The hydraulic system on this machine doesn't just move dirt, it tears through it. Hard ground, dense, soil, packed earth, none of it slows this beast down. Every single bucket load is massive, precise, and done in seconds. That's not luck, that's engineering. Now look beside it. That's the Komatsu HN300 articulated dump truck, built for rough terrain, steep grades, and heavy loads. It's not just big, it's smart. It handles the kind of ground that would stop a regular truck dead in its tracks. And here's where it gets beautiful. Watch the coordination between these two machines. The excavator swings, the bucket lines up perfectly, and thousands of kilos of material drop clean into the truck bed. No mess, no second attempt. Most heavy haul rigs are built for one thing, power. But power alone doesn't finish the job. You need control, speed, and something that actually works when things get tough. The Trail King HDG multi-axle rig is built from high-strength steel, so no matter how massive the load, the frame holds firm. But here's what makes it different. The weight doesn't just sit on one point. The multi-axle setup spreads it across the whole rig, so the ride stays smooth, the road takes less punishment, and your cargo arrives in perfect condition. Loading heavy equipment used to mean ramps, extra crew, and wasted time. Not anymore. The hydraulic detachable gooseneck lets you drop the front of the rig right to the ground. Drive on your excavator, your bulldozer, whatever the job calls for, and you're locked in and ready to roll. No ramps, no hassle, just results. Rough terrain? The advanced suspension system absorbs every bump and rattle, protecting your... When you're moving heavy machines on a job site, one mistake can cost you everything: time, money, and safety. That's exactly why the Humbar LMJ exists. This trailer comes with a turntable axle system, and here's why that matters to you. It keeps the load stable, turns smoother, and gives you full control even when you're carrying something massive like an excavator or a loader. No wobbling, no stress, just clean, confident movement. Loading heavy equipment used to be a nightmare. The LMJ's low loading height completely changes that. You spend less time struggling and more time getting the job done. The frame, pure reinforced steel. Built to take a beating on rough roads and tough job sites without giving up. And because it distributes weight so smartly, your towing vehicle doesn't take unnecessary strain, which means safer drives and less wear on your truck over long distances. This isn't just a trailer, it's a machine built for people who take their work seriously. If you move heavy equipment for a living, this is the one piece of gear you can't afford to skip. Most trailers make you fight with heavy metal ramps just to load a machine. You're lifting, locking, hoping nothing slips. And on a busy job site, that's a disaster waiting to happen. The Trail King hydraulic tail trailer throws all of that out the window. Here's how it works. The entire back end of this trailer lowers itself flat to the ground. No ramps, no guesswork. Your excavator, bulldozer, or skid steer simply drives straight on, smooth, clean, and controlled. Once your machine is loaded, you press one button. That's it. The tail lifts back up, locks into place, and your deck is solid and ready for the road. It's built tough. Heavy-duty steel frame, low deck height to keep your load stable, and a hydraulic system that does the hard work so your crew doesn't have to. Less time loading, less risk on site, more jobs done by end of day. This isn't just a trailer. It's the smarter way serious operators move heavy equipment. Construction crews don't get second chances. When concrete needs to go up 30 floors or across a massive job site, you need equipment that simply doesn't fail. That's exactly what SIFA truck-mounted pumps are built for. These machines push concrete with serious pressure, smoothly, consistently, and over long distances, without slowing down or losing power halfway through a pour. The boom arm moves with incredible precision, so operators can guide concrete into tight spaces and awkward angles that would be impossible to reach any other way. And even when the ground underneath is uneven or rough, SIFA's stability system keeps the entire truck locked and balanced throughout the job. No wobbling, no stopping, just clean, continuous work. The hydraulic system runs efficiently too, so crews get maximum output without burning through unnecessary fuel. On top of all that, operators can monitor everything happening in real time through smart onboard controls, tracking performance, catching problems early, and keeping every pour safe from start to finish. Most dump trucks have one big problem. They need space. Lots of it. To unload, they have to turn around, reverse, reposition. On a tight construction site or a steep hillside, that's a nightmare. It wastes time, wastes fuel, and puts drivers in dangerous blind spot situations every single day. The Prinoth Panther T14R completely flips that. This machine has a cab and a dump bed that rotate a full 360 degrees. That means the driver can unload material in any direction, left, right, backward, without moving the vehicle an inch. No turning, no repositioning. Just load, swing, and dump. And it runs on tracks, not wheels. So whether you're on deep mud, fresh snow, loose rocks, or a slope that would stop a normal truck dead in its tracks, this thing just keeps moving. It grips where others slip. With 14 tons of payload capacity, it handles heavy loads like soil, debris, and rock without breaking a sweat. This right here is the Prinoth Raptor 800, and it is one of the most powerful land clearing machines ever built. See that spinning drum on the front? It's packed with heavy-duty cutting teeth that can chew through trees, rocks, and thick overgrown terrain like it's nothing. What takes a full crew days to clear? This machine handles it in hours. It runs on a powerful diesel engine and sits on wide-tracked wheels, the kind that don't get stuck. Mud? No problem. Steep hillsides? Easy. Rough, uneven ground that would stop most machines cold? The Raptor doesn't even notice. And this isn't just a machine for one type of job. It's used for oil and gas pipeline routes, wildfire prevention, road building, and large-scale land development. Wherever the ground needs to be cleared fast and done right, this is what shows up. What makes it different isn't just raw power. It's the control. The operator can dial in exactly how deep it cuts, how fast it moves, and where it goes. Meet the DAL Ratio Plus, Die Lenkung der Zukunft. This isn't just a steering system, it's a complete revolution in how heavy transport vehicles are controlled. Traditional steering struggles with long, heavy, and complex loads. But Ratio Plus changes everything. It gives operators smooth, precise control even in the tightest spaces, where every centimeter matters. The system intelligently adjusts steering ratios based on speed and situation. That means easy maneuvering at low speeds and stable control at high speeds, all automatically optimized. Drivers don't fight the machine anymore. They work with it. The result? Less stress, higher safety, and maximum efficiency in demanding transport operations. From construction giants to heavy logistics, this technology is shaping the next generation of intelligent mobility. DAL Ratio Plus isn't just an upgrade, it's the future of steering itself. This is the Terex 7251B, and what you're watching right now is its very first day on the job. First scoop, first test. And already it's not messing around. This is the Terex 7251B, and what you're watching right now is its very first day on the job. First scoop, first test, and already it's not messing around. And that engine sound? That deep, heavy rumble isn't just noise. That's a machine telling you it was built to work hard all day, every single day. Every scoop is controlled. Every lift is clean. The operator isn't fighting the machine. They're working with it. And that's the sign of a serious piece of equipment. Heavy load after heavy load. And not once does it slow down. That's not luck. That's engineering. That's what happens when a machine is built right from the ground up. Whether you're a fan of heavy equipment or you just love watching raw power in motion, this machine is built to impress, and it does it without even trying. You're looking at one of the most important machines in the world, and most people have never heard of it. This is the Caterpillar 24H motor grader, and on a massive mining or construction site, this thing is basically the king of the road. Literally. Here's the thing, and when you've got giant 300-ton dump trucks hauling rocks and ore all day, every day, the ground takes a serious beating. Bumps and potholes slow everything down, damage equipment, and put drivers at risk. That's where the 24H comes in. This beast uses a massive steel blade to shave, smooth, and shape the road surface with insane precision. And I mean precise. The operator is constantly adjusting the blade angle, the height, the tilt in real time, all while driving across rocky, uneven ground that would shake most people to pieces. What's wild is how smooth the final result looks. You'd think a machine this size would just bulldoze everything, but it's actually more like surgery. Every pass gets the road closer to perfect, and why does that matter? Money. That's exactly why Trail King redesigned their front steer dolly from the ground up, and the upgrades are seriously impressive. First, let's talk payload. The new dolly shed weight so you can carry more, giving you an extra 1.7 tons of load capacity. More cargo per trip means more money in your pocket. Now here's where it gets exciting. Tight turns used to be a nightmare. The old dolly only rotated 23 degrees before hitting its limit. The new one goes all the way to 58 degrees, and that's more than double, so you can navigate sharp corners without breaking a sweat. The steering got smarter too. It now auto-steers more of the time, so you're not constantly jumping out to switch it manually. And when you do need to switch, it's all done remotely with a simple button. No more fighting with complicated controls on the side of the road. When you're done and need to switch back, the auto-align feature kicks in and straightens everything out for you automatically. Bottom line, meet a smarter way to protect your crops. This advanced air blast sprayer is built to reach deep into your plants where normal sprayers just can't go. Instead of wasting chemicals on the surface, it pushes a strong, controlled airflow that spreads the spray evenly across every part of the crop. That means better coverage, less waste, and stronger protection for your fields. It's designed for both 3000 and 4000 VI models, giving you powerful performance without burning extra fuel. So you get more work done while spending less on resources. What does this mean for you as a farmer? Less time in the field, less manual effort, and healthier crops that grow stronger and more consistent. Whether you're managing a small farm or large farmland, this machine helps you cover more area in less time, without sacrificing quality. It's not just about spraying anymore. It's about working smarter, saving money, and improving your harvest. Most machines fall apart the moment they hit soft sand or muddy ground. Wheels spin, trucks sink, and work comes to a complete stop. But the T14R? It doesn't even slow down. This tracked beast was built specifically for the toughest terrains on Earth, beaches, coastlines, and unstable surfaces where regular equipment just can't operate. Its wide track system spreads the weight so evenly across the ground that it glides over soft sand and mud without sinking, without slipping, and without tearing up the surface beneath it. That's a massive deal when you're working on a sensitive coastline. Now here's where it gets really impressive. The dump body on this machine fully rotates. That means it can unload materials in any direction you need without the machine having to reposition every single time. When you're reshaping a beach or moving massive amounts of sand and rock, that kind of flexibility saves hours of work and thousands in costs. And it's not just smart, it's strong. Meet the Perlini DP405 and DP605. These aren't your average construction trucks. These are absolute beasts built to do one thing: move earth on a scale most people can't even imagine. The DP405 kicks things off strong. We're talking a machine that eats through dirt, rock, and debris like it's nothing, cruising across rough, broken mining ground without even flinching. Most trucks would fall apart out there. This one, it thrives. But then comes the DP605, and everything gets turned up a notch. Bigger capacity, more torque, more raw, unstoppable power. This machine doesn't just handle extreme job sites, it owns them. What makes these trucks truly insane is how they're built. Massive haul bodies that hold enormous loads and suspension systems so tough they laugh at the worst terrain on the planet. Deep mines, mega construction zones, places where normal equipment simply gives up. These trucks keep pushing through. Meet the Prinoth Raptor 200, a compact powerhouse built for the toughest environments on Earth. This machine is not just a vehicle, it's an all-terrain survival tool. Snow, mud, steep slopes, or rough industrial ground, nothing slows it down. With its advanced track system, the Raptor 200 delivers maximum grip and stability where normal vehicles fail completely. Its powerful engine is engineered for heavy-duty operations, while still maintaining precision control for the driver. Inside, you get a modern, ergonomic cabin designed for comfort during extreme missions. From rescue operations to construction and snow grooming, this machine dominates every challenge. The Prinoth Raptor 200 doesn't just move through terrain, it conquers it. When others stop, this machine keeps going. The Schulte DHX 600 steps in, right when the field looks like a mess after harvest. Broken crop residue, uneven ground cover, and leftover debris can slow everything down if not handled properly. But this machine changes that. It moves through the field with power and precision, breaking down leftover material and spreading it evenly across the soil. That means better soil contact, faster breakdown of residue, and a cleaner field surface ready for the next planting cycle. What makes it stand out is how simple it is to use. Farmers don't need complicated setups or constant adjustments. Just attach it, run it, and let it do the heavy lifting. In tough Canadian field conditions where time windows are short and weather can change fast, efficiency is everything. And this machine is built exactly for that pressure. At the end of the day, it's not just about cleaning a field, it's about saving time, protecting soil health, and staying ahead of the next season. In modern farming, efficiency is everything, and that's exactly where the Krone Big Classic straw baling system stands out. Designed for high-performance agricultural work, this machine transforms loose straw into perfectly compact, easy-to-handle bales in record time. Its powerful pickup system ensures that no material is wasted, even in tough field conditions. The Krone Big Classics is built for reliability. With its strong construction and advanced baling technology, it delivers consistent bale density, making storage and transport much easier for farmers. What makes it even more impressive is its speed and precision. Large fields can be cleared quickly without sacrificing quality, saving both time and fuel. For farmers looking to boost productivity and reduce manual effort, this machine is a game-changer in modern agriculture. Krone Big Classics straw baling, where power meets precision in every bale. Every time a construction site shuts down because a trailer couldn't handle the load, that costs money. Every time machinery gets damaged in transit because the suspension gave out, that costs money. Every time a haul takes twice as long because the equipment wasn't built for the job, that costs money. The Paddock TK170 HDG was built to end all of that. This isn't just another trailer. It's a machine designed around one idea, that when you're moving serious industrial loads, failure is simply not an option. The frame? Reinforced steel, strong enough to take the weight, smart enough not to add unnecessary bulk. The hydraulic system means loading and unloading happens faster, smoother, with less downtime between jobs. And the suspension. That's where it really changes the game. Built to absorb shock even on the roughest terrain, so your cargo arrives the way it left. Intact. On time. Every time. Whether you're hauling construction equipment across a site, moving mining machinery between locations, meet the Krone Vendro C1340. And once you see what this thing can do, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. This rotary tedder covers over 13 meters in a single pass. That means more ground, less time, and fewer trips back and forth. Across the field, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. But here's what really sets it apart. Most tedders are rough on your crop. They throw it around, strip the leaves, and kill the quality before it even makes it to storage. The Vendro C1340 handles your hay and silage gently, so you keep more of the good stuff and lose less of what matters. Rough, uneven ground? Not a problem. The frame stays light, the suspension stays steady, and the machine keeps moving without skipping a beat. And when it's time to move between fields, the whole thing folds up fast and clean. No hassle, no wasted time. This is what modern farming looks like. Powerful, precise, and built to keep up with you. The Krone Vendro C1340. More output, less effort, every single time.